Here we are again, folks. Put you back in position, which I have to do because I have to turn the camera on. Whilst I was waiting for the glue to dry on the wheel brace, I noticed on this Triang SpaceX Forklift 7 toy that it's got the marbled recycled plastic as well. You can see on the back the chrome's coming away, or virtually come away completely, and revealed the marble plastic underneath. So it was obviously used all over the place in Hong Kong. And I also found, whilst I was waiting, this amazingly rare wheel. This is possibly the rarest sword stroke SpaceX toy part that I've got. Again, it's courtesy of the incredibly benevolent Mr. Bill Benison Bullock, and it's actually the plastic wheel from the Hover Scramble Bug, which I've only ever seen in pictures, but one which Bill had as a child, and this is all that's left. Now he says he's giving it me, but I consider it to be simply on loan, so that I can admire with wonder how rare it actually is. I'd love to see the Scramble Bug. You can see when you compare the wheel against the SpaceX Mev 2, it's just a bit smaller. So it wasn't tiny, the Hover Scramble Bug. You know, it must have looked absolutely fantastic. Okay, I wonder how the glued in wheel brace is getting on. Just give it a little tap. Seems to be in position. What's got to happen now is the wheel's got to go back in. Again, this is going to require some pressure being applied to the plastic wheel arch, which I'm not happy about, but no pain, no gain, as they say. Right, okay, so I'm going to try and get the axle on top of the little support that I've created, whilst getting the, if there's a loud snap I will probably cry. Okay, so I've got one side in. I don't want to push the support off that I've created. I just want it to sit behind it, which it is doing. That's amazing. Now, I realise now that it's virtually impossible to get the second support in. So I'm going to have to take that wheel out and put the second support in now rather than later. Okay, so wheel's coming out. Just how much pressure can this wheel arch take, and more to the point, how much can my heart take before I have a coronary. This is where I probably completely removed the little support I've glued in. This is because I don't think ahead. I try, it's just not coming out again. It goes in a hell of a lot easier than it comes out. No, it's back in again, and now, as I predicted, it's taken the little support with it. Okay, right then folks, the wheel's got back in. Got to try and get it out. Right, rather than bore you senseless with my ridiculous jangling and jingling of the thing, I'm going to get it out and get back to square one.